everybody, it's Paige, the marketing coordinator, and today we are going to walk through a customer checkout. So the first thing I'm going to do is log in at the top, click customer login, and then enter in my information, click login, and then you can see I'm in my customer dashboard here. And from there, I'm going to go straight into pricing and availability. But if you do not know the product you're looking for, you can use our search bar to search, or you can browse through our product catalog here. So I'm going to go into pricing and availability and type in the number for one of our toggle clamps. And then I'll just put in the quantity as 1 and click update item. And to determine the availability of the item, I always look at the status legend just to double check. And looks like it's both green, so it's available and we're good to go. Since I have my preferred distributor selected in my customer settings on my dashboard, I can request a quote directly from that distributor here, or I can place an order. So since I am logged in, all my information is saved, but it doesn't hurt to do a double check to make sure. And it's important to determine whether it's a business or a residential delivery, and if you want the billing to be the same address as well. So once that all looks good, we're going to click continue. And then we are going to pick a shipping provider and determine a shipping method as well. To ship all of your items together when they become available, check yes. And to ship each out individually when ready, check no. Checking no can result in increased freight costs. We're going to click continue. And from there, you will be on the order summary page. Just make sure one last time that everything looks correct. If you have anything that you want to change in your parts, you can go to edit pricing and availability from here. And at any point, since you are logged in, you can click save to my project for you to look back at this later. And then you'll just need to enter in your credit card information. And if you're a customer that has terms set up for their account, you can select checkout on terms instead of entering in the credit card information. From there, you are going to click place an order. And if everything went through correctly, it will pop up as a success and it will share your order number on the following page. Thanks for watching.